into the dark, she heard a small birch sapling in her yard call out and put an ear to its narrow branch. And the girl ran out her gate without her boots into the forest. Push above to hear her footfalls, below to hear her breathing. As all was dark and confusing, she closed her eyes and raced with ears leading, her jogging breaths bouncing off the tree trunks in an echolocation beloved by bats and whales. Finally, she found the oak and its allies deep in discussion, climbed forked branches and put an ear to its trunk, pushed to hear an oak's dark timbre. There is word in the web of our roots. You need to hear. Let the stars be a poem. See what they tell you. And I scoff. But then I focus. And I do see clues. Do I notice the brown bear? The sideshow wrestlers? Or the marchers on parade? Search out the memory on the panel, and with a button's push, seal both our fates. I am young, merely a child. Grandma has dressed me in a large coat and snuck me past the ticket seller into the sideshow alley where children may not tread. It is all of it an adventure, she winks at me, and I love that wink. We see a man with the face of an elephant sing a swirling song in a high voice. We see a tall man walk on hot coals while telling us a story. And in one final tent, we see two women in wide stripes fight a grand, unending fight, one you know they play out every evening, one choreographed to perfection so the crowd may roar its roars.